In a powerful demonstration of solidarity and outrage, citizens staged a protest rally on Friday demanding swift justice for the rape and murder victim from Kolkata and calling for improved safety measures for women. The rally, held in front of the Marga municipality building, was organized in response to the horrific crime that has shocked the nation. The Kolkata case involves the brutal assault and murder of a trainee doctor at R.G. Kar Medical College and Hospital, an incident that has sparked widespread outrage and calls for justice. The victim's tragic death has drawn national attention, leading to protests and demands for accountability and systemic reforms to protect women. Friday's rally saw participants, including women and students, raise their voices against violence and inadequate safety measures. The demonstrators carried banners and chanted slogans urging immediate action and systemic reforms. They also emphasized the need for educating men about women's rights to prevent future incidents of gender-based violence.
I respect my brothers. I respect my brothers because they should be there. We are a nation of Rakhi. We are tying Rakhi to our brother. We are born from a woman. So how dare you do this type of an act with her? I want rape to stop. And it's not just about Calcutta. It's about any place. It happens in Goa. A 2-year-old girl was raped. Do you know this? Recently. Because I handle the one-stop center South Goa, so I get in touch with all the things that are happening there. So what do we do? For whom do we cry? And should we always cry? Should we always demand and about a stringent act? Unless investigation is done properly, there will be no stringency in any act. It is at the investigation level that the law keepers have to work real hard. They have to see that they gather every bit of evidence. And I'm hoping that this case will go to its logical end. The girl whom we have lost, very dear to us, should get justice. All our doctors in India should get justice. All our women working in the night shift should get justice. All women who are forced to work, there are single women sometimes. They don't have a male with them. So what should they do? So these are questions that need to be answered.
At last म्हाका खरंच गूज बॉम्ब येता उलयतना की आमकां तुमी एट लास्ट रियलायज करून दिता की आमी बायलांच कित्याक आमकां बॉडी तसली तुमच्या दादल्या भशेन आमकां बॉडी दिवना आमकां एक डिफरंट बॉडी दिला म्हणून आमकां हे रियलायज करून दिता की आमी कितलेय शिकूं डॉक्टर जावं इंजिनियर जावं एडवोकेट जावं आनी कसले IPS ऑफिसर जावं एट लास्ट वी हॅव टू रियलायज दॅट वी आर विमन बिकॉज वी हॅव अ डिफरंट बॉडी कितें चल्लां आमचे धाकले भुरग्यांक आमी बायलांक आमचे चोडवांक कितले शिकयता दुसरे प्लेसीन आमी धाडटा पण आमी कशें आमी एज मदर हाव आर वी सपोज टू कीप एश्योरन्स दॅट आवर चायल्ड वील बी सेफ दॅट आवर गर्ल वील बी सेफ हांव म्हणटा हे जे जालां हे अशें आनी मुखार जावपा जायना जर गव्हर्मेंट इफ गव्हर्मेंट इज नॉट रेकग्नायझींग दीस एज अ ब्रुटल आनी एकदम सामकें वायट गोश्ट म्हणटा पळय जर हे अजून समजून घेना गव्हर्मेंट आनी बायलांचे सेफ्टी खातीर कांय करना तर हांव म्हणटा की आनी असल्या दादल्यां पासून बायलांक जल्मान हाडपाची न्ही तशें जालें जर तांकां तेजी सेफ्टीच करपाचें हें ना तर
आमी पळयतात की आमची कंट्री डेमोक्रेटीक कंट्री आमी पळयतात देर इज इक्वॉलिटी मॅन एंड वुमन म्हणटात आमी पूण अजुनूय आमची खरीच हिची इक्वॉलिटी आसा हो व्हडलो क्वेश्चन मार्क म्हज्या कोतान ना ल्हान भुरगें ते व्हडली बायल हाका कोणूच सारके नदरेन पळयना आजकाल आमी पळयतात ल्हान भुरग्यांचे रेप जातात जॉबला आनी सबला सुद्दां जे आसा तांकां खऱ्या सेक्युरिटी ना सो आमचे सगळ्यांचो आज हांगा जमून सगळ्यांचो एकूच डिमांड की बायलांक सेक्युरिटी मेळची जर कोणी धाडस करता बायलांचे दोळे उगडून असो पळोवपाक जाल्यार ताजे दोळे केन्नाच काडून घेतले वचपाक जाय आज रेप जावप हे कॉमन जालां पूण ताचेर आमी कितें करतात गव्हर्मेंट खंय बसला ओगी शांत हें जावंक फावना हाजे मुखार बायलांक तितलेंच स्वातंत्र्य मेळपाक जाय जशें आमी म्हणटात की मेळ्ळां पूण तें अजून मेळूना ही सगळीं जी आमी आज हांगा जमल्या ताचो एकूच रिक्वेस्ट आसा की जो कोण धाडस करतलो ताजी पायरी ताका दाखोवंक मेळूंक जाय आज एकट्यान धाडस केलें फाल्यां 2 जाणां करतात सो म्हाका दिसता जेन्ना एकटोच हें पावल उबारता ताजेच पावल जर थंयच बंद जालें जाल्यार फुडलो कोणूय धाडस करूंक पावचो ना आनी असो लॉ आयल्या शिवाय आमकां गत्यंतर ना आनी आसा जाल्यार ताजी अंमलबजावणी 100% जावपाक जाय आनी बायलांक सेक्युरिटी ही मेळपाकूच जाय.
We all know about what happened in Calcutta, but basically we are demanding justice, speedy justice. We want the justice delayed is basically justice denied. We all know that. We want the victim and her family should get closure on this issue. We also want safety of women. I am also a working woman. We demand that in all workplaces, women of all cadres should be provided with security. It should be the issue of the state and of course individual players to make sure that women are provided with this, and it is our right. We also look to seek to educate men. I think sons and husbands and men of the community have also to be educated about women's rights, what it is, good touch, bad touch, what is permissible and what is not. So we look to a better society and we hope for optimistic for a better future by efforts that we will make.
की आम्ही गायांक सांभाळतात आणि बायलांचे मास्क करून घालतात आणि तेका बलात्कार करतात. हे कसले न्याय रे, हे कसले न्याय. आमचे पब्लिक स्पेसीस आमचे गव्हर्नमेंटीतून इतले आसा, लोक बायलांचे अन्याय करतात आणि ते कोणूय सांभाळना. पहिले निर्भय आसल्या आता हे जाला. ही इश्यू अशी जावंक जायना की आमी थोडो आवाज केलो, थोडे टीव्ही बाईट्स घेतले आणि मागीर सगळे विसरून गेले. एवरी पॉलिटिशियन, every public figure should have a record where he has not interfered with women. Those people should not be protected, whether it's by the head of state or the head of government or the head of the family.
The rally was supported by several local organizations including the Indian Medical Association, Young Women's Christian Association Goa, Bailancho Ekvot and Margaon Mahila Mandal. Their collective message was clear: urgent reforms are needed to ensure women's safety and hold perpetrators accountable. Sandeep Tuekar, Manish Parab and Vaishnavi Sargaonkar for Goa 365.